This is Big Papa's Jimmy Dean Pinwheels. Hello kids, how you doing today? Your old pal Big Papa here. We're going to be making a really fun dish that came to me, while I was watching TV. The players, BPS Money, Cash Cow, Little Louie's. So we're going to take some Jimmy Dean sausage. We're going to take some crescent dough sheet. We're going to take some cream cheese. Now I've diced about a quarter of an onion, half a jalapeno, some red bell pepper, some BPS Money, which is one of my very favorites, one of my early ones, and it's fabulous. All the pepper and garlic and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to saute the vegetables. Then I'm going to add the sausage, and I'm going to brown the sausage, and I'm going to bring it back here and assemble the dish for you. Okay, kids, this is getting really fun. Let me glove up and show you what we're going to do. Now I've sauteed red pepper, sweet onion, and half a quartered jalapeno. I also browned some Jimmy Dean sausage and then mixed it in. Now, one of the things, since we're using this inside of a croissant dough, is we don't want it too hot when we lay it on croissant dough because we don't want it to start cooking. So I've let it chill, and now what I'm doing is I'm getting it in the finest pieces I can get. Just really break down this sausage because I want it to be smooth as a lays in the pastry. So we got that going for us. Now let's get our friendly croissant roll. You can use the croissant roll that's got the perforation. What I really like is they have these, since more and more people are using these kind of refrigerator doughs, they have ingredients in them. Oh, look, it just popped right open. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a little coating of flour just so it doesn't stick as we build it out. So here we go. Roll it out. Find that seam. Now, turn it this way. Here comes the trick you're not expecting. Cream cheese. It adds just a really kind of rich flavor and moisture. So I'm going to press it out here as best I can. Listen, this is really good to let sit on a counter and soften. I got it fairly soft now. Maybe like a little softer. So you see how I've spread it all around? Now we're not going to use all of the Jimmy Dean sausage and vegetable mix. We're not going to use all of it because we're going to reserve some for a gravy. We'll reserve this. We'll set it aside. Now here comes kind of a fun, tricky technique, and that is rolling it. We're going to roll it up a lot like you'd make a cinnamon roll. Look, it's making sense. Look at that. Don't you just love it when I'm proud of myself like that? So this is kind of just a trendy take on biscuits and gravy. It's a trendy take on a casserole. It's just kind of fun. You know, you can't do the same thing every day, and hopefully that's why you're watching channels like this, to get some different inspirations and different ideas. There's no rules. We just want to make food that tastes good. Okay. Fun, fun, fun. Let's load this dang pan up. Let's give the cast iron pan. You can either butter it and flour it. I do a lot of things. I'm just going to use this pan that's a non-stick with a little flour in it for baking. So let's load them up. We don't mind if they're tight together. Look at that. It's looking pretty good, I think. Of course I think so. I'm cooking it. Wow, it's almost like I planned it. Look at that. This is going into the oven at 325. I'll let you know when it's done. But we're just going to do one last little thing here. Let's just lightly try and get some of the edges of, not necessarily the meat. Let's do an egg wash on as much of the dough as we can. We don't want the egg wash to pool, okay, because then we got scrambled eggs in there. But should it with some money, which I sauteed the peppers in. So this is going to go in the oven, and then I'm going to start my gravy. The gravy, I'm going to use the same pan that I sauteed the peppers and the onions, the jalapenos, and the Jimmy Dean sausage. And so I'm going to use some of the grease that's in there and help make it really nice. So we'll be right back. Okay, let's assemble this fun dish. So let's start by taking some of my gravy. I'm putting it as a layer.